National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in south-central Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, eastern Jackson County, Illinois, Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, southeastern Perry County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Saline County, Illinois, northwestern Union County, Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Mount Vernon to Cedar Lake area and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Red Lake area, Christopher, Carterville, Benton, Aaron, West Frankfort, Johnston City, Marion, Fairfield, McLeansboro, Hurst, Royalton, Ziegler, Cambria, Bluford, West City, Craneville, Energy, Wayne City, and Thompsonville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, Jackson, Perry, Saline, Union, and Williamson.